This video describes a lift system that has been developed and fabricated by Dynamic Design Pharma in Carlsbad, California. The lift was developed specifically to handle heavy feeder bowls that usually are hand carried from the autoclave area to the filling line and installed manually. With this system here, we are able to lift the feeder bowl off of the autoclave cart and then safely transport it over to the filling line. And the features that I'm going to show in this video will demonstrate that how easy it is going to be to install the feeder bowl into the filling line. As an overall description of the system, of course, you see a structure down below with a counterweight for safety. Up above this structure is a gearbox right here that allows the vertical adjustment of the system. There are two handles on the unit. One is maneuvering handle, this one here, that allows moving the lift within the facility. And of course, this is the elevation handle that allows you to raise and lower the boom as necessary to meet the requirements of the process. Attached to the gearbox is a boom that extends out over the base of the unit so that you can reach in and place the feeder bowl into the filling line. And then at the other end is what we call a spider assembly, which is designed to handle feeder bowls of various dimensions, geometries, connecting features, and so on. So now I'm going to describe the heart of the system, which is the spider mechanism, so that I can show the features that allow handling of all these feeder bowls. The spider assembly, as I described it, requires multiple adjustments, movements, in order to allow for the various geometries. The key feature of it is the fact that it is obviously allows rotation of the feeder bowl, so that once it's picked up by the hooks, it can be rotated and manipulated into alignment with the mounting features of the filling line. The second movement that is clearly required is to be able to tilt the feeder bowl to compensate for the angle of the boom, plus also if in case the feeder bowl is tilting one way or the other during transport, it'll be easy for the operator to place it onto the filling line in proper alignment. An additional feature of the spider assembly is the feature of having the arms that I'm showing here to be able to swivel. That swivel allows to fit various dimensional details of the feeder bowl pickup points. One more feature of this spider assembly is this hook mechanism. This is a part that would normally be autoclaved and then installed onto the lift before transfer onto the filling line. And as you can see, the hook mechanism can be placed at numerous locations on the supporting structure. One more feature of this spider assembly is a mechanism here that allows setting the friction of this movement so that you don't have a free swinging weight supported in midair during transport. One more thing I need to mention is that this design is very much compatible with clean room applications. As you can see, hopefully you can't see in the video, but every penetration is covered by a wiper mechanism. So there are no translating mechanism system. All the mechanisms are rotary, and each rotation is covered by a wiper. So this is our feeder bowl handling lift. Of course, if the application requires transferring anything else other than a feeder bowl, there is no reason to believe that the spider assembly could not be either modified or redesigned to fit handling of any other heavy load onto the filling line. Thank you.